Hi, welcome to my channel. There are spoilers inside this Crochet Society Halloween box. So this box I'm going to open up here on camera and I'm going to show you what's inside. So if you're anticipating your box from Crochet Society, you may not want to look with this video. So anyway, here we go. This was my birthday present from Mara, and so we purchased this. So this is not a promotion. I am not sponsored by them in any way, but you may check out my other video because she bought me the advent calendar last year for 2023 and I turned it into a blanket, and I'll put the photo right there. So, and the link to that in the card above. So this fun box opens up falling in love with crochet treats. So the box and the packaging is just really, really good. It's Velcro closed, which I know Velcro is kind of the arch nemesis of yarn, but it does keep this package all neat and tidy. So I did peek in this box already, but I wanted to open it with you as well. So, because when Mara gives me a gift, she likes to see people open it because, you know, she's a really great gift giver. Okay, so this tote bag, let's get spooky. So cute, matches the box, matches the colors. The print on the back is similar to the box, but different. So really, really cute. The colors are all very, very in line. And it says Crochet Society at the bottom. So, very, very cute. You can never have too many yarn tote bags. This one is kind of, I mean, it's not as canvasy as like the typical ones you find at a craft store. It's got a little bit of a tighter weave to it, a little more sheen. It's a little softer. So very, very cute. Very, very cute. And does this give you a hint as to what the projects are? Good to know. Okay, I need to get those for you, give you a clue. Okay, so, okay. Here is the interior card. I'll cover this up. Trick or treat, question mark. And then on the back of this card that comes in the package is the link with the password. Yes, I'm covering it up. And underneath my fingers is the QR code to get the patterns that go with all these goodies. So that is included in here. So fun. And here we go. Here we go. So look at what look at that gorgeous array of colors. So you can already see the Halloween colors going with the black and the orange and the purple and some green and yellows over here. So it'll be interesting to see with the pink and the tan and the kind of a sprucey green color, a little bit of white. And look at this. So it's interesting because, oh, there's another orange one there. Okay, so the label is, the glare of my light there is pretty bright, but the glare, it's Crochet Society Confection DK, and the little label says boo, 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 boo over it. So cute. So this is 100% acrylic confections DK, 33 grams. Okay, and very, very cute. Now, this is the exact yarn that I used in the trifle blanket that is that I used for the advent calendar yarn. So this is the same yarn. So I did not use all of my yarns from my advent calendar. So the leftover yarns, if I wanted to do something different than the patterns that came with this box, I could make another something. So many pretty colors here. Let's see what I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. Oop, green. 6, 7, another black, another orange. 8, 9, purple. 10, green. 11, camel. 12, are these, I can't tell, my light is so bright. 12, 13, I think we're at 13. Both, yes, both of those are the same color, white. Now it's interesting because most of the yarns have the Boo Halloween label, but some of the labels are just stars. So I wouldn't say they're generic, but clearly this company loves this yarn, as I did too. I enjoyed this yarn very much. And so I would think that some of the colors are unique to the Halloween box, and some of the colors are maybe left over from, not left over, but other yarns that are used more than just the Halloween collection. So lots of good yarn. I have no idea how much this box retails for because I didn't purchase it. It was a gift. So you'll have to look it up. And then here's all of this fluffy batting. So, what could that be? So, I suspect that there's a few, if not several, amigurumis patterns in this collection that come with this box. And I also know that because clue number 2 is a whole bunch of safety eyes. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, maybe up to 6 little characters. 6 little amigurumi friends probably with the 6 sets of eyes. And then there's just a few more goodies in here that we can see. So, what do I leave last? So there's a enamel pin badge, and it says, "Which please?" Which please, on this little hocus pocus badge there. And at the top, oh, okay, I see it now. So it's a cauldron, and upside down, it's witch legs up in the air, like she's head down in the cauldron. And those are her legs with the striped socks and feet up at the top. Very cute. And I love the way this feels. This is a stitch marker, and I love the way it feels because this is very similar to this plasticky, rubbery plastic. It's more rubber than hard plastic. It's more bendy. A stitch marker. This little pumpkin is adorable, and there were stitch markers in the advent calendar also. So very, very cute. Very cute. And it's a claw stitch marker, so it's good for crochet, not just a ring for knit. So that's exciting. And let's see another one. Okay, this is a little ghosty. It's a little ghosty stitch marker. Again, adorable with a little witch hat there. So I'll get it to, I don't know, it gets it to focus on. I should put it right there in front of the camera. Anyway, so cute and very soft. And it's just like those little like Polly Pocket dolls, that kind of rubbery plastic. Love that. Feels so sweet. Okay, and not 1, but 2 crochet hooks. So 2 different sizes. So this one says Crochet Society 4mm, and this is kind of like a candy corn handle. And this one is little bats and stars and moons. So cute. And it is, I can't see without my glasses, 3mm, and it says #Crochet Society on it. So the patterns that come with this need 2 different hooks. So I will spoil it for you. I don't have any photos. I guess I could have printed them out perhaps to show you. There is not anything with pictures in here. So the card is the only thing that we get, and so there's no pictures of the finished projects. To get the patterns, you have to purchase the kit and then use the QR code. Now, I did go and use the QR code, and there are like 6 little amigurumis, like a squirrel and a fox. No, yeah, I think it's a fox, a cat. So a bunch of good stuff. And then, I'm not getting them confused, am I? I don't think so. because the Woobles also have a Christmas advent calendar coming out soon, and I don't think I'm going to purchase that one, but I did look at the spoilers of what was in it. But this one also has a Halloween wreath. So this one you get like a you have to go buy a styrofoam form in the form of a circle with the middle cut out like a donut with a big hole in the middle. So it's a wreath, and then they show you how to wrap the wreath with the yarn, and then there's all sorts of cute attachments on it, like leaves and fall autumny kind of things to decorate the wreath. So you can either do the wreath, or you can do the critters, or I think there's some plush amigurumi like jack-o'-lanterns. But I don't think there's enough yarn to do all of the projects, but you can either do the wreath and the pumpkins, or the wreath only, and then the critters, but maybe not all the critters. I think you could do maybe all the critters. I think there's 6 of them. Anyway, so I guess, I don't know if that's super helpful for you, but I enjoyed this gift from Mara, and I don't know if I will follow the instructions on the box, or if I will take the yarns and run with it and create my own creation based on these Halloween-y colors. So I hope you have a great day, a valuable and relaxing use of your day. I hope that this was the most fun you've had per hour in a while, FPH. And I will see you on the morning 5-Minute Crochet Podcast. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Is that Muffles gonna get you? Are you safe up there?